Our business thrives on happy customers, so when they write to tell us we did a good job, we love to share their feedback so they know we appreciate their words. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning those from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior customer service can help you. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We are only one call away from serving you.